and welcome back to The Road to Good Cooking. And I am not happy to report that Las Vegas is now in the triple digits temperature-wise, and it is hotter than you know what here. And there is nothing better that can cool me down quite like a bowl of my homemade ice cream. Today I'm going to show you how I made my fresh lemon ice cream. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 large lemons and my microplane zester. Now, a microplane zester is designed specifically to take off the rind directly off of citrus fruits, and it leaves behind that bitter white pith. That's that white skin that's directly underneath the peel. And I'm just going to take my time here and scrape off all that delicious zest, and we'll talk about the pith in a second. Okay, it looks like I got about a half a teaspoon of zest off of that one lemon, and my second lemon had a few dark spots on it, so I cut those spots off. Now I'm going to zest this one as well. Now let's talk about the pith. Most citrus fruits is covered with a peel, and that peel includes an inner soft skin layer, and that's called the pith, that white part directly underneath the skin. Now the pith is very bitter, so you really want to avoid grating down to that part. Okay, all done with my grating. It looks like I got about a generous teaspoon of lemon zest, and that's going to be perfect for this recipe. So let's go on to the next step. All done squeezing my lemons. Looks like I ended up with about, it's about a half a cup of fresh lemon juice. I'm going to cover it up, put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And here's my recipe. You might want to pause it right here and write down these ingredients, and I'll meet you back on the other side. And here's my cream mixture after it's set in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. I took it out. I'm going to give it a quick whisk. And this is a point where you can taste it to see if you need to add more sweetness. And after I tasted it, it was just fine for me. Now I'm adding my lemon zest, and I'm only using a teaspoon of lemon zest because I wasn't quite sure how that was going to be, and I don't want it to be too tart. And I'm going to start off by adding 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Give it another quick whisk. And give it another quick taste. And I thought it tastes absolutely delicious. But I have a little bit of lemon juice left over. I'm just going to go ahead and add that last little bit of lemon juice and give it another quick whisk. And give it another quick taste. And it's perfect. You notice I didn't add the lemon juice before, when I put it in the refrigerator 2 hours ago. And the reason being is that I didn't want to make buttermilk. If you add lemon juice or vinegar to cream or milk, you can make buttermilk. And I didn't want to make buttermilk. Here's my extra spoons. Now it's time to get some churning done. I'm going to stop it at the 4-minute mark because it's getting ready to run out the bowl, and I don't want that because it makes a terrible mess. this is the best part of making your own ice cream. The end part where you can eat all that ice cream left in the bottom of the churning bowl. That's the absolute best. And you see how frozen it is in the bottom? That little thing works.
This is so good.
I am completely happy with the way this recipe turned out. I think the next time I'm going to try using sweetened condensed milk, and I know that's going to change the texture somewhat, but it should give it a really, really pleasant flavor. And this recipe was a special request by a fellow YouTube friend of mine, Mama Ray Ray. And every time I go on her channel, she's eating lemons. So I know that she loves lemons. And Mama Ray Ray, you are going to love this recipe. Give it a try. And you don't need an ice cream machine maker as long as you have a mixer with a wire whisk attachment. And then just whisk it up and make sure it's thoroughly whisked, and then pour it into a freezer container, put it in the freezer, and you got some fresh ice cream. And if you are interested in the ice cream machine maker, I will put the link in my description box below. Just follow my Amazon affiliate link. I do have an Amazon store, and for those of you that didn't know that, every time you order on my Amazon store, it generates commissions for my channel where I can produce more great cooking videos for you to enjoy. So show your support, shop the Road to Good Cooking Amazon store, and I am thanking you in advance. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a few minutes of your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share my link with everyone you know in the universe. So once again, thanks for stopping by. Be blessed, stay safe, wear your mask if you want to, and keep on cooking. I'll see you when I see you.